Have you ever opened your microwave expecting a hot meal, only to find your food still cold? It's one of the most frustrating kitchen problems. Many people immediately assume their microwave is broken and start thinking about expensive repairs or replacing the entire unit. But the good news is that many microwave heating problems can be caused by simple issues that you can check yourself. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 easy fixes that may help solve the problem before you spend money on a technician. Make sure to watch until the end because the final tip could save you from making a costly mistake. Before we begin, always remember that microwaves contain high-voltage components that can store dangerous electrical energy even after being unplugged. The checks in this video are limited to safe external troubleshooting. If internal repairs are needed, contact a qualified technician. Number 1, check the power supply. The first thing you should do is verify that your microwave is receiving proper power. Many homeowners overlook this simple step because the microwave display may still turn on. However, a weak electrical connection or a power issue can sometimes affect performance. Start by unplugging the microwave and inspecting the power cord. Look for cuts, burns, or damage. If the cord appears damaged, stop using the appliance immediately. Next, plug another appliance into the same outlet. A lamp or phone charger works well for this test. If the second appliance doesn't work properly, the outlet may be the problem. Now, check your home circuit breaker panel. Sometimes a breaker partially trips and causes appliance issues. Reset the breaker connected to your kitchen outlets. If your microwave is plugged into an extension cord, remove it and connect the microwave directly to a wall outlet. Extension cords can reduce performance and create safety risks. After checking the power supply, place a cup of water inside the microwave and heat it for 1 minute. If the water gets hot, you've solved the problem. Number 2, inspect the microwave door. The microwave door is more important than many people realize. Every microwave contains safety switches that prevent the appliance from operating when the door is open. If one of these switches becomes damaged or misaligned, the microwave may appear to run normally while failing to heat food. Open and close the door several times. Listen carefully for a clicking sound. This sound usually indicates that the door switches are engaging properly. Check the door latch for cracks, wear, or food debris. Small pieces of food can prevent the door from closing completely. Look around the door seal. Dirt, grease, and residue can build up over time and interfere with proper operation. Use a damp cloth and mild cleaner to wipe the door frame and seal. Once the door is clean, test the microwave again with a cup of water. A surprising number of heating problems are caused by door-related issues. Number 3, verify the power level settings. This is one of the most common causes of microwave heating complaints. Many microwaves allow users to adjust power levels. If the power level has accidentally been lowered, the microwave may not heat food properly. Children, guests, or even accidental button presses can change settings without anyone noticing. Locate the power level button on your microwave control panel. Check that the microwave is operating at full power, usually 100%. Consult your owner's manual if you're unsure how to verify the setting. To test the microwave, place a microwave-safe cup filled with water inside. Heat it on high power for 1 minute. The water should feel noticeably hot. If the water remains cool, continue to the next troubleshooting step. Also check for special cooking modes. Some microwaves include defrost, eco, energy saving, or sensor cooking modes that can affect heating performance. Return all settings to normal operation and test again. Number 4, examine the turntable and interior. The turntable plays a major role in heating food evenly. If the turntable stops rotating, some areas of food may receive more microwave energy than others. Remove the glass tray carefully. Wash it with warm water and dish soap. Inspect the roller ring underneath for dirt, grease, or broken wheels. Clean the area thoroughly. Check the turntable motor coupling located in the center of the microwave floor. Make sure the glass tray sits properly on the coupling. After cleaning everything, reinstall the tray and start the microwave. Watch to see whether the tray rotates smoothly. While inspecting the interior, look for burn spots, peeling paint, or metal fragments. These issues can interfere with microwave performance. Never use metal containers, aluminum foil, or utensils unless specifically approved for microwave use. Using metal objects can damage internal components and reduce heating efficiency. Number 5. Listen for warning signs. If your microwave still isn't heating, listen carefully during operation. A healthy microwave usually produces a steady humming sound. Unusual noises can indicate internal component failure. Buzzing sounds may point to problems with the high-voltage system. Loud humming can sometimes indicate a failing magnetron. Clicking noises may suggest electrical issues or defective switches. Sparking inside the microwave is another serious warning sign. If you notice sparks, immediately stop using the appliance. Unplug the microwave and inspect for metal objects or damaged interior surfaces. If unusual sounds continue after removing obvious causes, professional service may be required. Clean your microwave regularly. Many microwave problems develop because of poor maintenance. Food splatters, grease buildup, and moisture can affect performance over time. Clean the interior weekly using a soft cloth and mild cleaner. For stubborn stains, heat a bowl of water with lemon slices for several minutes. The steam helps loosen dirt and makes cleaning easier. Regular maintenance improves performance, extends appliance life, and reduces repair costs. When should you call a technician? If you completed all 5 troubleshooting steps and the microwave still doesn't heat food, the problem may involve internal components such as magnetron, high voltage diode, high voltage capacitor, transformer, control board. These parts operate at dangerous voltage levels. Attempting repairs without proper training can result in serious injury. For safety, contact a qualified appliance repair technician. A microwave that stops heating doesn't always mean expensive repairs or replacement. By checking the power supply, inspecting the door, verifying settings, examining the turntable, and listening for warning signs, you can often identify the problem quickly. Many homeowners solve microwave heating issues using these simple troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more DIY appliance repair tips, home maintenance guides, and money-saving troubleshooting solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.